Hi guys. Good evening. Please, we are going to do a tutorial about how to create wings video. So you open any browser of your choice, image like this one, or any browser of your choice, and you search for Beam Image Creator, Beam Image Creator, and click on it and wait. While it comes this way, you click on the first link, image created with Beam AI. You click on it and wait for some seconds. It will come this way. So this is your search box. Any first timer, you need to sign in with your email account. So please don't forget, you have to sign in with your email account before you get access to this one. So you write your prompt here. You describe how you want your image to be here. So me, I've already written how I want my image to be. So I paste my prompt here. This is how my prompt is. And you click on create. When you click on create, you wait for some seconds. It is generating the images for us. How to turn text into images. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video. Your like encourage me to do more videos, tutorial. Your likes, your comment improve our channel. So please don't forget to subscribe and like. Just wait for some seconds. Wait for some seconds for the AI to generate the image for us. It is generating. It is generating. It is generation. This is how the image are. Amazing AI images. So you click on this three dot and click on download. Click on this three dot and click on download. Click on this three dot and click on download. How to sit on a lion. Click on this. So these are the images that we have created. So you can also create the same images using this prompt. I will put in this prompt in this video description below. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.